Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And I look like I'm wearing the same thing over and over again. It's because I'm doing batch videos today. So, okay, another haul. This is more or less a miscellaneous kind of thing. And I wanted, because of, so, make sure you like and subscribe. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Laura, hence the name. It's just my personal channel, and I do all things lifestyle, craft, you name it, and all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to show you what I got. And first off, Ariel, if you watched my 7th grader haul for 7th grade, back to school, I talked about her black pants. She likes black pants, and we have pets. We have 2 dogs, which shed very badly, and we have an inside cat that sheds very badly. And so when you wear black, you are going to get cat hair on you. So we go through these like crazy in the school year. Well, the last year, this April, May. I let her go back. She went back to school March, April, May. Yeah, the end of March, she went back to school. And we went through, I don't know how many of these. These ones are the extra sticky ones, and you get them at Dollar Tree. Every time I go shopping now, I'm going to grab 2 of them. So I have one in the car and one in the kitchen so she can do her pants and get all the hair off. Otherwise she has a fit. So yeah, so I got 2 of those, and these are the extra sticky ones because the other ones you have to use like half the roll for it to work. The other thing I got was, okay, this new phone is the iPhone 11. I do like it. I don't like how they changed what you can hook to it. You have to have that little extra thingamabob to be able to use regular headphones, because wireless headphones, Bluetooth headphones, anything Bluetooth runs out of battery, and right in the middle of you using it, it's going to die. So I do have wireless headphones, but they only work for so long. Like if I'm sitting watching a video or whatever, and I've got to charge my phone too, I do have one of those, you set your phone on it and it'll charge. I could probably put it down here and do that, but it's just a pain. So I did get the extension so I can plug it in and also use my wired headphones at night and stuff. And so yeah, I got, so far that's a couple of things I don't like about it. And one is that, and it's just a matter of getting used to it. And the other is, here's my hubby. I don't know if you can see that. There's my hubby. So I'm used to the home button right here. So when I want to get rid of my memory stuff, you have to fandangle it to work. And I haven't done it in a while because when you swipe it up, you have to do it really, you can't just swipe up and it'll show up. You have to do it a certain way. Anyway, that's a couple of issues I have with it. I'll get over it. I can send it back. It's still 30 days, and my other phone still works, but it's old. It's a 6S Plus, so I do like having the newer one. So anyway, when I went shopping, I got earbuds that last 15 hours. That should do it, I hope. So these were 20 bucks. They were in the back to school section that Walmart has in the middle of the floor. So I did grab me one of these. Now Ariel she has a pair like my other ones, and she also has a pair of, they're black, they're little, and the charge time on those is very good, but they're black, so she's not really fond. So I may end up switching with her I'll take the black ones and she can take these ones, because her new phone is the same way. So yeah, so there's that. We got these. These are the Groove On, and this is the IPX4 splash proof Bluetooth wireless earphones with the charging case. Now, they had these cases there too, but they don't fit this case, which kind of sucks, because I wish they would make, well, they probably do. I need to find a silicone one that I can slide on it. So this one doesn't work. This one is for Apple AirPods first and second generation. So it's the taller one, I guess. I do have a shorter version too that we thought these would fit with. So I just need to figure out where to get the case for this, because that kind of, these are hard, and you can't put them on there. They don't snap in. So I got to figure out where I can get a case. So I bought these for $5. I'm going to put them over on my Poshmark, and I'll sell them for the same price that I bought for them. And maybe somebody will want them. So we'll see. But I did grab these. I got to charge them. I got my other ones charged last night, so they're still good for now. The other thing is kind of for the laundry room. I wanted I'm getting older. I have lost weight. I've lost 20 pounds. I'm doing good. But to go around and pick up these laundry baskets and stuff is just killing me. I need wheels. I need to be able to wheel it. So there's some nice ones out there that I'll invest in later. But for now, I'm going to makeshift this. I got this. It was $11. And it's just the plastic frame one, and it has the 3 bags. But I'm thinking maybe I can put my laundry basket one on top and maybe one on the bottom. I don't know. I'm going to have to put it together and find out. But it's got wheels, so I can wheel it from one end of the house to the other. And that way it'll be a lot easier for me. So I did get this. It says no tools required. That's cool. It'll all snap together. Awesome. Now, online, I think these are more expensive. I don't know. It was $11, so I bought it. So I got this one, and they do have better ones, like the actual basket on wheels. And I was going to have, I have a basket, and I was going to have my husband make me one, because we got a bunch of those caster wheels. I was going to have him make me it so I can roll it. But I want to be able to do at least 2, one for darks and one for lights and colors. So, I mean, I can use it this way, darks, lights, and colors. And then I can wheel it out, and it'll be good. So I don't know. I still have to reach down in there and get everything out, but that's okay. But I thought this would be handy to have from the dryer to the washing machine too. You know, I can move it around. So that would be cool. So anyway, that is my little haul for now. We did get something for the laundry room. I'm still working on the laundry room. The link for the laundry room playlist, I'll put that at the end of this video, and you can go watch that. I've got it to the point where I need to paint. I am using it. I'm using it to fold all the laundry, and I got a makeshift shelf I put up because he's not done making the shelf for it. And so I can put laundry in there and fold it and stuff so it's not all over the living room or whatnot. So I am using it, and I also am using it to store soda and stuff like that, because when my washer and dryer goes in there, where it was, it's going to be the pantry, and I can put everything in there. So it'll move around, and it's a mess right now. If I took a picture of it, it's a mess. But I am using it. It's just not decorated. I have all my stuff down here in boxes, and once I paint, I can decorate, and then all we have to do is just move the washer and dryer. So I may do that, but right now it's been busy and everything. But again, I will link a little, probably in one of the cards somewhere, there'll be laundry room playlist, so you can go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. So anyway, that is it for me. Don't forget to check out the 500 subscriber giveaway. I'll link that also down below. and go check that out too. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.